Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family, her little brother and Mummy Pig's tummy. First I'm going to draw Peppa. Nose. Head. Smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. I draw her tail. And finally her two legs. Now let's draw Mummy Pig. I draw her eyes. Eyelashes. Nose and the shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth and a circle for his cheek. Her two ears. I draw her body with her arms. She has a big tummy. Yes, the news is certain. Peppa Pig and George are going to have a little brother or sister very soon. Let's draw Daddy Pig. I start with his eyes with his glasses. He's wearing glasses. His nose. The shape of his head. His mouth smiling, a circle for his cheek. I draw some small lines like this. It's going to be his beard, his big rounded body, his arms, and finally high legs. I draw his tail. Finally I draw George. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears, and the body, arms, a small heart. Oh, I forgot Daddy Pig's ears. What a happy family, congratulations! Let's color now. Firstly, Peppa Pig, pink for skin. Purple for cheek, red for dress. Pink. Purple for cheek, orange for dress. Pink. Purple for cheek, blue for glasses, red, orange, blue. Pink. Purple for cheek, red, orange, blue, red. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.